In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a great Notion template. A great Notion template starts with a clear plan. First, identify a specific niche and a specific problem you want to solve. Strong templates are not generic. They are designed for a certain type of person and a clear use case, so the layout and features feel intentional from the start. Next, outline the workflow before you build anything. Think through how the process works in real life, then map that process into Notion, so the template supports the way someone actually thinks and works. After that, build the backbone. Create a dedicated workspace or area just for building, and organize it with pages and subpages so everything has a logical home. Now you can build effective components. Use databases as the core of your template, because databases let users manage information at scale. Add multiple views like a board, calendar, list, or gallery, so the same data can be seen in different ways, such as work that is in progress versus work that is done. To keep things consistent, create database templates inside your databases. This helps standardize repeating entries, like a project page that automatically includes a checklist, notes area, and a progress tracker. Then add automation and functionality where it helps. Buttons can quickly create new entries, formulas can track progress, and linked database views can show only what a user needs, which reduces clutter. Throughout all of this, keep it simple and scalable. Your template should feel easy on day one, but still work smoothly when there are dozens or even hundreds of items. Next, focus on aesthetics and user experience. Declutter each view by hiding properties people do not need to see, turning off database titles when they add noise, and using toggles to keep large sections out of the way until needed. Use consistent visuals, like a matching set of icons and a clean cover image style, with a limited set of colors. Improve navigation with a clear layout, using callouts or synced blocks for menus, and a table of contents for longer pages. Also check the design on mobile, so it stays easy to use on a phone. Finally, add a short getting started guide, remove most dummy data while keeping a few helpful examples, and publish the template. Open the page you want to share, click Share in the top right, choose Publish, confirm Publish, then turn on Allow Duplicate as Template. That covers everything you need to know.